I was seeing people in my office. So some people just came in the office as if they are customers.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. So that is really a danger for my family and even for my life.
And after 5 months, you went back to work?
Yeah, I went back to work. That's when I was transferred now from Madare to just nearby location. Yeah. Even now I have not been compensated. Yeah.
Have people also on the other extreme, have you had instances where people have come to thank you for your service and maybe the transformation you brought in an area you were assigned?
A lot. Yeah. So many people. Those that have changed from being drug addicts to Christians. Others they had no business. But I provided that 1,000 for them to start a kiosk somewhere and stood with them so that the county government will not demolish maybe what they are put along the way. They have come to thank me.
Wow.
Yeah, and that makes me feel very happy and fulfilled. Yes.
So now you have retired, right?
Yes.
What are you up to? What's next for you? What are you doing?
Wow. Right now I have a high school
Oh.
that I started. And I'm gonna sit there and make sure that I market the school, because the pay, it is not about the money, it is about the transformation, because my vision is inform, form, transform. And my school has 5 pillars. It has education, it has manufacturing, it has it has counseling unit, it has SACCO unit, and community pillar. And in every pillar we want to transform life. For example, it is a giant step community school. It is in a place, but in my house I have made a factory whereby I have not finished installing the machines and what have you, but I believe this will make the students there become more responsible, because we don't want to lose these students to drugs and alcohol. We want them to be responsible. I want this initiative, when they are through with the school, they can come and volunteer there as managers. They can come and start the small jobs there as supervisors, as salespeople. And this will give the parent a mandate not to come and say, I don't have money to pay school fees. They will get maybe 5 crates of bread, go sell, and get the profit, pay the school fees, or continue doing other things.
Thank you very much, Julia Kamwara, for your time on the show. Thank you for your service to this nation, and we wish you the best in this new venture. Julia Kamwara was our guest on the Big Conversation this morning's retired senior chief who served in many places, including the vast Madare location for 7 years, where during her tenure she never resorted to force, believe it or not, as a means of combating crime, but a citizen collaborative approach, which she said earned her a lot of credit and respect.